Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect Klarna or enable Klarna as a payment method on your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, a couple of different things have been changed. Previously, you could specifically enable Klarna on your website and it could have worked perfectly. However, now in the newer version of Squarespace, it's a bit more complicated than that. Now, I'm pretty sure when you use Klarna, you can use it as a credit card, or you have an option for a one-time card on Klarna, which is going to be used for this specific payment. But we're going to enable this in Squarespace, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how. Now, for this, we're going to need to set up our payment processor or our payment methods for our selling settings on our page. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into settings. And here, as you can see, it brings you into the settings page with the website open immediately. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the selling tab. And as you can see, the second option from the top is the payments tab. And you're going to set up your payment processor as you would in any other way. Now, as you can see, I'm not sure if this is dependent on region or not, but I have access to Stripe and PayPal for online payments, and for point of sale, you have Square, and this is for the US only, so you won't be able to use Klarna with this as far as I'm aware. You might be, I wouldn't quote me on that. However, what you can do is you can set up Stripe. As I mentioned, you can use Klarna as a one-time credit card. So you can select this to let customers pay with all major credit cards. I'm pretty sure this includes Klarna as well. So if we click here, you just need to enter your credentials for Stripe or create a new account if you don't have it already. And once you connect it, just follow the instructions completely. I don't have an account and I don't want to set it up at the current moment, so I'm not going to do that. But it's very simple. You just connect Stripe and it should process all Klarna payments. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.